Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix mouse not working on Windows 10 and Windows 11, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to fix mouse not working on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, on the Windows icon, start icon or Windows icon, just right click and then select run, and then just type devgmt.msc. After that, click OK. And then here select mice and other pointing devices. Just click in this arrow and then you see here HID complaint mouse, and also you have Microsoft PS2 mouse. Okay, for the first one, HID complaint mouse, just double click and then after that, and then click driver, and then here you see uninstall device, just click on it and then click uninstall. But you know, sometimes there are more than one HD compiler mouse. If there are more than one, for example, in my case I have only one, but if you have more than one, you need to go with one by one. After that, just restart your laptop. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to fix mouse not working on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.